In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a track type beat inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to suno.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, you'll need to go down to create once you're logged into your account. And from here, it's showing you something like this. Here you can go over and click in simple or a custom prompts if you want to do that, where you can also add audio, persona, or inspo if you want to do that. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose the simple one and click on instrumental because we want to create a type beat. Now let's click in the prompt. And Drake is notoriously known for his Toronto style melodic rap. So let's just click in that. We need some underwater synth pads, some emotional chords, some heavy 808s, some sharp hi-hats. By the way, you can also find a bunch of different prompts down in the description below. I have an ebook that's gonna teach you how to create every single genre of music inside of Suno AI. Some late night drive type music. We wanted to have a clean production and about 90 beats per minute. From here, you can click either generate, or you can also add an audio or lyrics to your beat if you want to do that. But if you click create, then Suno AI will generate two versions of this Drake type beat. You can also see right here that it's going to give you a 5V or V5, but this will cost money to listen to this song. But let's take a look of how they're going to sound like. Alright, and then for the next one, as you can see also here, it is loading. Once it's done loading, it'll be more higher quality. Okay, and if you want to work more with any of these beats that we just created, you can just click remix or edit and then click extend down here, or use style and lyrics if you want to do that. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!